So I brought this Halloween wig from Walmart for $5.98, and I'm about to show you how I styled it when I got home. So I brought the long blue bob wig, and I didn't show you how I cut the bang and cut the bottom, but this is the wig. All right, so I'm gonna turn it inside out, and you see this? I ain't even realize half the wig is gone. I should have known I wasn't gonna get no full wig for $6. But it got four tracks on the side. You see that? One, two, three, four. And it got the little bang closure. So I just brushed it out with my detangling brush. And I took the flat iron to it on very low heat because this synthetic hair is not premium like I usually use. All right. So very low heat. I went on here and flat ironed it. The bang, and I'm going ahead and touching up the sides because it came out the pack a little, out of whack. So I'm bumping the ends right now. I'm flipping the ends up to get that Lil' Kim crush on you feel. All right. And I went ahead and went all the way around. And look, see, you can see the holes and all in the back of the wheel. Like, this is wild. But I made it do what it do. I worked with it. So, it was kind of hard to curl, to be honest with you, because this type of synthetic hair is like cosplay. It's for cosplay wigs. So it's a little different from what I'm used to. But after I flat ironed it real good and bumped the ends up into a flip, that's how it turned out. Follow me for more.